tragedy mein comedy hai, tragedy mein comedy hai, tragedy mein comedy.
Hello and welcome to a segment we call Off Script. It's called Off Script because we didn't want to write a script for this segment. So we decided, why don't we just get our friends together and talk? It's a completely new format. We've never done anything like this before. It is exam season. And we must talk about exams. Were you good students? Start with you. Were you good students?
I was good.
You're good?
I was good, yeah. I was pretty good.
First question is SSE?
SSE.
आप भी SSE के शौकीन हैं.
Everybody is good in SSE, guys.
Nobody is good in SSE.
That's not true.
SSE,
That's not true.
not
One
true.
second.
Can we start with what is SSE?
SSE is the Maharashtra school board.
Is SSC easier to score than CBSE?
No, because what happens with the SSE is no, it's actually the other way around. Because what happens in at least in the colleges that I applied to,
लोग का
yeah,
में बहुत
ICSE
बहुत easy है.
ICSE is the most convenient board on the planet. First of all, scoring धड़ाधड़. Second of all, तुम लोग Shakespeare learn करते हो. मतलब actual English सीखते हो तुम लोग. ठीक है? That's
I
it.
just love how Ashish ICSE का है भी नहीं. और जोशी ने उसकी लगा दी. This is he has done the Fox News equivalent. Question करनी है talking point पे आ जाओ.
That's just
अरे यार,
you are
ICSE?
You are ICSE?
No, I was CBSE.
CBSE.
Any ICSE? CBSE is not a thing. ICSE.
I used to get jealous of other kids in CBSE schools because उनको German, French वगैरह.
Correct.
अपना ऑप्शन होता है संस्कृत, पंजाबी, हिंदी.
Correct.
ठीक है.
Correct.
तो पंजाबी में मैं गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट by the way. Not even kidding.
Gold medalist.
गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट. I thought मैं बड़ा स्पेशल हूँ कि 90 से ज़्यादा मार्क्स आए हैं. As it turns out सबके 90 से ज़्यादा आते हैं. तो वहाँ पे सेरेमनी के अंदर 300-400 लोग थे सारे सर्डी स्कूल्स के. सबको गोल्ड मेडल. सबको
इंडिया मीडियम में पढ़ा था. So when I go to 11th 12th, I'm like ये क्या है? It's not like तुम लोग पढ़ के आए नहीं पढ़ के आए. इसलिए ये दुनिया क्या है? Circle का center I don't understand. I'm sorry.
Really, you studied in Odia?
Yeah. Full.
What's a circle called in Odia? Like, how do you do?
Goal. I don't remember exactly. Goal.
Let me guess, तू अच्छा स्टूडेंट नहीं था.
Excuse me, Mr. Tanmay, but first rank in almost every something, every class.
National IIT.
That's true.
That's just. Did you cheat in exams? Or wait, let me for legal purposes ask you. Did you have any friends who cheated in exams?
I've never cheated. On principal level, I'll get 0.
In life also.
In life also I've never cheated. But but basically I don't cheat thinking that next exam will become a habit, whatever.
Sure.
But this one time, this one teacher really liked me and he was the invigilator of that thing only. जिसका exam चल रहा था. So some multiple choice question, I had marked something. He just came and stood near me. And he just, I like, क्या है? He's like, I changed from A to B. He's like,
Oh my God! Can I tell you my invigilator story? I would love to tell you. Rohan.
Oh, sure.
Rohan,
Oh, sure.
can I tell you?
Why don't you
Oh my God! I
don't
need to know.
Why don't you tell us a story that is not at all
It
a
is
personal
so
attack
true.
on
It is
me
so funny.
for something that happened 10
Oh my
years
God!
ago?
I forgot this.
Oh my God.
So I am giving BMM entrance exams at Jai Hind College. Guess who's my invigilator? It's a man named Mr. Rohan Joshi. All right. So I go to give this exam and
Which also should tell you all you need to know about BMM entrance exams is the teachers used to basically be like, तुम लोग अच्छे student हो, invigilate.
So Rohan came and I was like, oh cool, exam and all. And so I am doing my thing and I asked for the thread. I got an extra supplement and I asked for a thread. And Rohan was like, sure, this is very nice. He was like, here, have a thread. Next day, okay, I used to read Rohan's blog. Next day, I open Rohan's blog. There is 500 words dedicated to this chutia student who has asked for a thread. Okay, this thread saying that, oh, student, can I have a thread? Me, no, fuck you, don't get a thread. You failed in your exam. What was this long rant about how dumb I was for asking for a fucking thread? What
If
do you
you
have such a
look,
thing
man,
to do?
look, two things, all right? And this, y'all as frequent tweeters and Snapchatters and Instagrammers understand this.
The desperation for
The content is needed. Content is needed. And that blog was a rare source of likes from chicks. So the beast had to be fed. And also, Tanmay, first of all, it was about 200 words.
Okay,
There were 200 very vehement words.
it felt like 500.
Yeah, it was
Every
completely
word is-
unnecessary. It was completely unnecessary.
You just hate the person who asked for
Yeah.
it.
क्या करूं मैं क्या करूं मैं वो पर्सनली टीचर को लगे एक्स्ट्रा बच गया था
तूने क्या
मारो चौधरी
Completely
ब्लॉगर
unnecessary.
उसको दिया की थ्रेड
On the topic of invigilator having no fucks to give, we had this teacher जो invigilator करता था, वो एक टेबल लाता था, डोर के बीच में डालता था. So half the table is inside the room, half the table is outside the room.
What a guy.
So that he can look inside the room and talk outside the room. Okay? and he's checking some other papers.
You know, my whole worldview of Orissa is through Biswa.
You go to Orissa and you're like, this is a normal place. Biswa
Biswa is an extreme unique
With all his
experience of it.
fuck all fucking experience.
This is just act one. So wait. So he's sitting there. My dad had a minor accident. Oh, some leg got fractured. He knew this. I asked him for a paper. So he says, come and take. I go, take it and sit down. There's another madam sitting on the opposite side on another classroom with half a desk out.
Oh.
And they're having a conversation. And this guy starts. अरे पता ना ये बिस्वा का बाप का एक्सीडेंट हुआ मर गया लिख रहा है इधर एग्जाम मैडम अरे क्या हुआ मर गए अरे नहीं मरे नहीं मतलब बच गए लेकिन मर सकते थे 15 minutes of this shit all the kids are looking
Well, at least he didn't blog about it the next day.
Well, true.
There was one particular professor supposed to be like the maths wizard or whatever it is. And he was like the head of the department in the college. He would also run the most popular tuition. So
Yeah.
people who didn't go to his tuition, people who used to go to his tuition had a chip on their shoulder thinking, ki,
Yeah,
of
yeah,
course
this will
it's
happen
what
across.
I have learned is going to come. He's the head of the fucking department.
Yeah.
And there's just no concept of conflict in our colleges for some reason.
तुमने ट्यूशन लिया था लेकिन
मैंने
लिया था?
हाँ लिया
मैंने
था
तो
10th में
काफी
लिया था। अरे बच्चों इंडिया यार हर एक चीज के लिए कोचिंग है इट इज अपॉलिंग दैट वी हैव कोचिंग राइट अप टू 4th year of engineering
And there's-
medicine
all the
forget
way.
10th and 12th
I remember when I was in 11th going to 12th, there was one fashionable thing called Charco's tuitions. And I didn't take tuitions, but all the cool people went there, my friends went there. So I used to stand outside Charco's tuition. Wait for everybody to be done with maths class. And then we used to go to coffee day.
I thought it
Until
would
one
get sadder
day,
but then it did
the teacher came up to me like, do you want to join? What is your issue? Can your parents not afford?
in Hyderabad there's this guy who coaches for IIT been coaching for 30 years there are 3 teachers the classes start at 4:30 in the morning and if you're 1 minute late but the interesting part is when the classes get over he has assistants who follow you until 2 kilometers from the class so that you can't hang out and waste time.
Oh,
They'll
shit.
leave you there and go.
Holistic approach.
Yeah.
holistic
It
stalking
is. Yeah.
And it takes 120 people and some 115 go into IIT.
The problem is, you know, the problem is that parents want this for their kids
Yeah, of
at
course
that
they do.
age. It's not even कि हमें बोलने का कोई फायदा नहीं है कि ये खराब type है which it
Yeah,
is.
because what parents want. It's not even about parents so much as beyond a point. You're just part of the school of fish, right? Where you have 5 friends who are first talking up science. So you go, fuck, science करना पड़ेगा because fuck, look at these guys. They clearly know what you're doing, what they're doing. After which, once you get a good score, it's literally like again, fuck, I have to go to this tutor because I have 5 friends who are good and they say he's the best and look at these guys and you think you want it beyond a point, right?
ये बड़ा
You think you want it.
I get what you're saying. ये बड़ा अजीब प्रेशर है
Yeah.
क्योंकि मेरे साथ 10th में वो उसके बाद चूज करना होता है साइंस कॉमर्स मैथ तो मेरे परसेंटेज के हिसाब से कहते हैं साइंस में जाओ मैंने कहा
Same.
It's exactly that.
तो क्लैरिटी
It's just, it's not what you want to do. It's just
No,
what
it's
your
as if if you
percentage
got high
is.
percent, assume नहीं कि तू science में
हाँ,
करेगा.
and my thought process was like but I am clear enough कि मेरे को उस टाइम पे था कि मेरे को जर्नलिज्म करना है तो I'm like कि मैं मैथ्स क्यों करूं मेरे को तो लैंग्वेज
No,
चाहिए
the argument was option will you can always
Yeah,
do
there's
that.
always that sense of you can
You have a
always.
backup.
So I went in and told the professors कि वाइस प्रिंसिपल ने बुलाया मुझे कहती आप तो अच्छे स्टूडेंट आप साइंस क्यों नहीं कर रहे मैंने कहा मैम मेरे को आर्ट्स करना है कहते क्यों मैंने कहा क्योंकि मेरे को लाइफ में आगे जर्नलिस्ट बनना है मेरे को आर्ट्स ज्यादा काम आएगा नहीं ऐसा थोड़ी होता है अच्छा स्टूडेंट वाइस
that's the thing.
प्रिंसिपल से वाइस
That's the
प्रिंसिपल
thing.
से अच्छा
Dude,
स्टूडेंट
yeah.
थोड़ी जाता है और मैं तुम्हारा
But this is the thing. They literally.
कॉम्प्रोमाइज करके इट वाज लाइक कोई डाइवोर्स सेटलमेंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज करके मेरे को कॉमर्स दिया उन्होंने
Yeah.
I'm not even kidding. They're like हाँ चलो तुम
That's
कॉमर्स
crazy.
you know the weird thing is
कॉमर्स लेके वो भी मैं विदाउट मैथ्स के लिए लड़ा था
It was the first year of our engineering college being autonomous, means that they were losing their minds. They were doing anything they felt like. And you know, in engineering colleges, you have internals and then external.
Right, yeah.
And the rule in VTU so far was you have 3 internals and external. You take best 2 out of 3. Okay, so everybody fucked the first internal. Okay, so it came for internal. Nobody signed for the first internal. It was a formality because you know you have 2 and 3. And so nobody signed for the first internal. And then HOD comes like, by the way, we're autonomous now, so there are only 2 internals. Okay. And everybody is just like with like glassy eyes, like हम तो fail हो जाएंगे. We've got 0 out of 25. He's like, we will add 25 plus 25 and make 50. No best of anything. We're like, fuck, we're fucked. So we protested. We went all the way to the vice chancellor saying we need 3 internals. We need 3 internals. We had a sammelan, a meeting. He's like, what can I address your problems? He's like, autonomous nahi. We want to go back to the university. You are oppressing us with your new rules.
You did not warn us before our casualness.
Yeah.
Now, we were pretty stupid in terms of our demands because all we demanded was 3 internals and not how those 3 would be evaluated.
Oh, very good.
Okay. So the head of department was like, okay, you guys want 3 internals? He came very coolly into college, swinging doors at the back. We were like, we'll have 3 internals. And then before he left the room, he's like, average of 3.
Oh shit.
This is now
wow.
worse than 2.
Wow, dude.
And so because of that, this guy got a bad reputation. He was a nice guy. He's trying to make change. He was trying to make our college into Harvard in one semester.
Amitabh
One
from
semester.
Mohabbat.
And it was not working. He was just getting like hatred of students. And all I started hearing around campus was this guy should die. Okay? Which I was like, this is very extreme, guys.
So ये तो होता है.
Very extreme.
Which is a
But
fair-
college students
yeah,
are like,
college
guy should die. And I'm very proud of myself. I did not participate in this. I was like, I will not
Oh shit, I
participate.
have a bad feeling about this.
End of semester.
No, man.
Summer holidays, we get news. He's in the hospital. College students, not phased, celebrating. Okay.
Yeah.
And I was like, guys, this is getting a little out of hand. At least, maybe he won't come to college, it'll be fine. And now people are coming to compromise. Yeah, man, if he doesn't come to college, I don't care if he's in the hospital, whatever. I'm like, some people are like, nahi manna chahiye. Now,
Damn.
project 4th semester starts. And then one day, where like one teacher comes crying into the class saying, your head of department has died. Now there's awkwardness in the class because the engineering students have just realized that they can cause death by wishing. Shit. Then everyone feels bad, goes to that person's house, say, we're very sorry for doing whatever people had to do. But the remarkable change that came in the autonomous syllabus from then on was that every teacher was so nice to us.
Oh man.
And all our
That's
demand for
just-
that, because these kids have some witch doctor powers.
Yeah.
And they
That
can cause
Kids,
all
because
kinds
engineering
of-
kids, either
Dark.
they're killing themselves or teachers.
Or teachers, like just that.
The worst we.
One time,
Ha,
It's
go on.
toxic masculinity.
Because of an unfortunate incident, students started protesting. So third years started protesting to the professor's house, the professor in charge. They are 3-4 in number. So they're like, fuck this shit. 3 people can't protest. Let's get first years. So they get 1,000 first years. Okay, they say first years out, sab aage. Now from 3,000.
Wow.
They go, uska गाड़ी ऐसा खड़ा था, they didn't know what to do. They didn't have enough fire to burn it. तो उसको push करके उल्टा कर दिया गाड़ी. Now the professor knows that these kids are going to do this, so he's tiring them out. He's not coming out, he's not talking to them. So they don't know what to do. उसका घर का door glass का है. So पीट के the glass breaks. So they're like, now we'll enter. They all enter. सबका पैर कट जाता है उसका. ठीक है.
Smart engineers.
So 10-15 people ऐसा पैर काट के उसके ड्राइंग में बैठे हुए. उसके घर से बैंडेज आ रहा है. उसके घर से पानी आ रहा है. बोले सर हम तो फर्स्ट ईयर है, हमको क्या पता था. उन्होंने बोला.
I think the biggest lie that was told to us during exams right through like 10th standard was that you study now.
Oh yeah.
Later you can enjoy.
Oh yeah.
फिर 12th आता है.
Listen, yeah, for all students watching, there is no party.
No.
It never.
Never.
Look to all cameras. Telling you.
Never.
Hashtag, there is no party.
No.
Yeah.
Here's the sad, the Indian education is such that I knew the term subjective and objective,
Huh.
but the meaning of these two words I realized much later after
Yeah.
school.
Yeah, absolutely.
Objective in my this thing is one word answer, one's objective, or like match the columns.
Basically,
was
objective meant this you can score full marks.
Full marks,
Sir,
correct.
subjective meant के 3 मार्क तो तू काउंट ही करके जा रहा है. 12 मार्क का है तो तेरे को 9 से ऊपर नहीं
नहीं
मिलेगा.
मिलेगा.
That's all we
Yeah.
knew.
This
That's
is
all
what
we
I
knew.
meant. Subjective and objective
Yeah.
means this only.
That's all we need. On that note, we shall wrap for we have been talking for a while. Yes.
Very
So,
good. Yeah.
so first of all, good luck everybody for your exams. Don't shit your pants. It's all good. Tanmay, any advice for students?
It's easy to say that your degree doesn't matter. But in hindsight, if I hadn't scored X and I wasn't
Yeah.
in this college, I wouldn't have met the people who I met and etc. etc.
Yeah.
etc. The point being, it doesn't matter. Everything will be fine. I think that's a larger goal. Figure out what you want to do and or what
Don't
you
want to do. Yeah, I think that's super important that if a lot of us had figured out what we didn't want to do, we would have saved some time, saved some stress, but yeah, आगे जाके nobody cares. You know, it just sort of works out.
Yeah, and the most important thing, it's sad that this even needs stating. I don't care how fuck all your life or whatever feels after an exam, after results, after everything else. It is not worth ending shit over. Like not in the worst of circumstances. And however dark the pit is that you're in right now, I promise you there'll be a day like maybe 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 15 years from now, we'll be like, wow, I was so stupid to think of killing myself that moment, because you will be fine.
More than suicide or whatever, just don't be stressed. Just be curious and learn. कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाएगा.
Basically, do the thing that the education system doesn't allow you to. Be curious.
Yeah.
हम सुसाइड पे गए क्यों? हम तो पॉजिटिव मैसेज दे रहे थे
Because dude, I remember what I used to feel like after some exams, man. There's just been somebody that tell me that, you know what, fuck it, तेरे को 50% भी आया ना, तो तू ठीक.
गोल्ड मेडल लेना तो पंजाबी कर लो बेसिकली मैं
On that final piece of advice, thank you so much for watching, and we have another episode coming up on Monday, new episode of On Air. So do remember to watch it on Monday on Hotstar. Download the app. Things, messages.
देश के हालात बहुत ही फनी है हंसने के अलावा बचा नहीं कुछ और ट्रेजेडी जो हो रही है एक ही है क्योर ट्रेजेडी में कॉमेडी है